everyone, welcome to iBud Podcast. I'm your host Harshita Khandil. Today we have a special guest, Mrs. Ranu Bari. She is a project manager over 10 plus year at iBud Software Services. Welcome Ranu ma'am.
Hello Harshita.
Hello ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good ma'am. What about you?
I'm fine.
So today she will telling about us their new product HRMS. Over to you ma'am.
We started this project from last a few years. In last software company, we heard about that they were facing some issue in their existing HRMS system. They have to manage a lot of things with different tools and manual Excel sheet also. So that process consumed their too much time. At the time of salary generation also and management of data also, so that is not secure as well. So we started this journey as a project. So we through this product we want to overcome timing and management of data of HR department and account department.
Okay.
In HRMS, for employer perspective, we are storing their personal information, official information, their benefits which provided by company, and their payrolls, their leave management, timesheet, feedback, their loans, and attendance also. And we are also maintaining their TDS calculation of each financial year, and we are also uploading Form 16 and medical card feature, so that will save their time to download whenever they need it in their personal inquiry.
That's very good. There are so many things in the one product.
Yeah, so that is the main goal. We want to all things at one plate, so that is the main motive to initiate this product designing.
Okay, wow. So Ranu, as you know that automation is a big trend these days. So how automation is work in the HRMS?
So in today's world, everyone wants to save their time, and there is a technical era. So in AI timing, we can say that everything needed is a quick and sort out. So through this HRMS, we are providing a feature to generate payrolls in a few minutes. We can say, I mean, in how many employees in your company, maybe 200, 300, it can be any numbers. So that will say generate your salaries in a few minutes. So that save your time, and through reports you can download and compare with your actual information. So that will also provide a feasible data comparison feature also. And we are also providing automation in timesheet generations, overtime calculations, TDS calculations, and at the time of every financial year, when the accounts team generally upload their Form 16 information and medical cards for each employee. So in one round through a zip file feature, we can say it is saving their time. So within a few seconds, with the automation, we are doing all this process.
Okay, so you mean that the one click we can generate all the things?
Yes.
Oh wow.
And that also provides a facility to download results, how many success you got and how many errors you are getting. So it's not like just a background process is going on and you don't aware about that. So you will also get notification once process is completed. So everything will be tracked and in front of your eyes or in emails, we can say.
So we can create a multiple reports?
Yes, we are using Salesforce as a CRM for this product. So Salesforce is a self-built-in, we can say, automation. They provide a lot of features and facilities to maintain your data and display data with a very feasible information. Dashboards is also a feature, so you can see using a graph how much you are paying to an employee and how much overtime is calculated monthly. So everything will be on one screen, and with a lot of reports, you can also calculate that how many employees are absent in that particular month, and how much your company is growing, or how much you are providing facility as an extra convenience or deductions you can also maintain. So through this these reports, we can also calculate all these figures.
Okay, wow, that's super great. As you know, ma'am, HR also deal with other things as well, like data security, compliances, and securities.
Yes. So as we told you that this product use Salesforce CRM as a background. So Salesforce provides the very secure data feature. You can say data store on cloud and a lot of firewall and security we use in this. So Here we are using Indian payroll generation concept for payslips and figures calculations. And this is a hybrid design we considered in this project. So here, for example, at least one Salesforce license we need to use this product in your organization. And if you want to go with community as external portal, then you can go with community licenses. But if for example, for a small company where we have no too much budget, then we can plan something else. So that's why this is a hybrid design and easy to affordable by all type of companies. And we have more features in this, like group of companies where they have different organizations, so they can purchase a product for all our group. They don't need to purchase separate product for each company. So that is also configurable in a single project.
Okay, so wow, like there are so many people can use this product at a one time.
Yes.
A lot of company are already use some external tools like payroll generation or attendance tracker sheet. So how HRMS deal with it?
Yes, you told correctly, Rashita, here that most of companies use different tools for.
Yes.
I mean, we can say kind of timesheet management system, payroll generation system, and attendance tracker also. And they maintain loan things in registers or Excel sheet, we can say, and also separate things for leave management. So in this HRMS, we want to deliver a product to our clients at one plate.
Okay.
So everything will be at one plate. So you can think that how it will look like. So that will save your time also, and data will be at one place. So no need of manual calculations or no need of waste of time. So that's why we designed this idea to overcome the timing issue of company management. So through this HRMS, we provide all kinds of tools with a single project.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. So, like, what about the candidate leaves? Candidate can generate their leave in this portal?
Yeah, through external portal, they can apply their leaves. They can also check their leaves annually, how much they have taken and how many leaves and CLs are pending and how much adjusted. So everything will be on their screen, and they can apply leaves through portal, and HR will approve those leaves automatically with just one click.
There are multiple similar products in the market. So what makes your product special?
This is I want to say that for this in one word, if you want to save your time and you want to secure your data, then you should go with it.
Sound great, ma'am. So could you tell me more about the product or brief your product?
Yes, sure, definitely. So in this HRMS, as I told you, that we are using Salesforce as a CRM. So admin part and account team like HR and account department can use internal Salesforce system. And for external portal, we can go with community or any other external platforms. And in short, if I would like to say about this product, then HR can store contact information, I mean employee information, personal and professional, and also they can generate their salaries. They can also approve and reject employee leaves, and automation of email notification, that is also done in this product. So no need of any writing long emails about your leaves and rejections also. So that saves your time. And if an employee apply for any loan, then that settlement also can be calculated automatically. So no need of maintaining how much paid or not. That is just a one-click process in this HRMS. And benefits, if the company provide any benefit in a senior members or board members, then we can also store such type of information. And at the time of salary generation, that can also be deducted and added automatically. And we are also providing a big area of HRMS, you can say, that is TDS calculation. So as you know that in today's world, whatever we earn, we have to pay most of part to government. So no need of Excel sheet and go to accountants and store all this information and take a calculator and make a good calculation how much you are paying tax. So with this TDS calculator, what we are doing, how much salary you are getting by your company and how you are expanding, and any declaration you have done in your 12BB forms. So that is displayed at one screen. So no need to take calculator and calculate how much you are getting and gaining and deducting. So that you can see that how much your final tax calculation you have, and
Okay.
how much installment you will pay in whole year with which particular amount. So that save also your time.
Okay, sounds great. So, ma'am, what about the increment?
Yes. So that is the most curious part of employee perspective,
Yes.
we can say. So in this HRMS, we are also maintaining slab information. Yearly basis slab is maintained for each employee. So HR also can track that how much we paid to employee in last year and particular year, and how much we are paying right now.
Okay.
So to maintain your slab, no need to enter everything like CTC, cash in hand, PF, bonus, gratuity, ESIC. So there is, you just need to put gross of the employee and year. Everything will be calculated automatically.
Wow.
Whatever government provide calculation standard in any Indian slab.
So candidate can see that.
Yes.
Okay. A real life story always inspiring the people. So could you please share any success story of this product?
Yes, we installed this product in iBird Software Services Private Limited. This is an IT company in HB. So this company have 200 plus employees. So they are using this product in their company for managing employee data and payroll generation and other features also. And iBirds Group has their another organization, Stalin College. So they are also using this product in their employee information management. And I'm happy to see that when they started using this product, then their HR and the principal of the college, they save their time at the end of the month for salary generation, and that is very easy and helpful feature for them to manage their employee data in this product as a Salesforce CRM. In the last, I would like to say, this product is designed as per Indian payroll generation system and Indian currency and Indian calculation for TDS.
Okay.
So here I would like to say that we can also customize it as per a client requirement and as per a particular country. If they follow any other standard or any other customized things, then it is easy to do. So that is the
Good part.
good part. Yeah.
Okay, so I must say that HRMS is not a product, but a complete solution of HR management, right?
Yes.
It was very informative. Thank you, Ranu ma'am, for giving your time, and it was great to have you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashita, for inviting me in this iBirds podcast. That was a good time with you and shared knowledge about this product with you.
That's all for today's viewer. We will meet soon in our next podcast with some amazing new tools, technology, and upcoming products. Bye bye. Stay tuned.